Meaning of effector.
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 Effector. An effector is a component of a biological system that produces a specific effect or response. Effector molecules, such as hormones and neurotransmitters, bind to specific receptors on target cells and trigger a physiological response. In the immune system, effector cells are responsible for eliminating infected or cancerous cells. The term effector is also used in the field of robotics and engineering, where it refers to devices or mechanisms that produce a desired effect or output. Overall, an effector is a key player in producing a specific response in a system, whether biological or artificial.